Hi friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming here to do another tour, the second one really in a series of the tour of my craft room. This wall is not much on, there's not much on it, so this will be a quick video. But what I have over here is my sewing machine, these two baskets under the sewing machine table that I'm keeping things in, and my little sewing chest there. And I have this little, I took this out of my pantry actually and put it right here because I wanted to keep my bobbins right here so I could grab one when I wanted to. So I've got my bobbins under there and that. And then underneath I just have some stored, some file folders that I'm storing in this basket that I've bought throughout the last few years. And there's just, you know, a lot of different patterns here. File folders. So, just pretty patterns I'm going to use in my craft projects. So, that's all file folders. And then over here, I'm keeping things that I'm trying to decide what to do with. Probably put them in my Etsy shop. There's linens and some jewelry there and just different things that I'm going to list when I feel like it, when I get around to it. And then we'll go over to my sewing chest and just have things like thread, and I have some paints in there, and my scissors and pincushion. There's some yarn, measuring tape, all the little sewing gadgets, my glue guns down in there. So that's what's in there. So I have this picture that I showed before up on the wall that I got from the side of the road. Someone had thrown it out and I liked it. I thought it was pretty. And I have two tacks in the wall here for hanging up, making some banners for my Etsy shop. So like this picture wasn't on the wall when I did my first banner, so I hung it up there and took a picture for my Etsy shop. And then now when I do, I'll probably just take that picture down for a moment and, you know, put the banner up there to take a picture. But then since this wall is so quick, I'm going to go ahead and show you the table I decided on. I know in my last video I talked about I was trying to decide on a table for the middle of the room. And I had decided and ordered it, and I got it this week. My husband put together about 98% of it, 99% of it. And I put on the last two, like these two panels that are on the bottom here. And I put on the doors, which are on this side. So this is what it looks like, like closed. The has two leaves that you, fold up or fold down here on the sides. So I found this as I was searching and trying to figure out what I wanted. I actually, this came up under kitchen islands or kitchen tables. So what it is I'll show you. These leaves are pretty cool. They have a hydraulic lift on them, if I can get keep the camera in a place where you can see it. Did you see that? I think that's pretty cool for a little kitchen table. They just lift up real slow like that. So really cool. And it fits right here in the middle of the room. Let me show you how it fits. There's plenty of room to walk around. I'll probably keep it open most of the time. So I used it today. It was great to have that extra work surface. I was working on my desk over there. And it had some extra things that I spread out over here. Some, scrapbook paper and things that I was using. So those are two journals I worked on and finished today that I have to do videos on, but they came out really cute. Pretty. So anyway, let me show you underneath. There are two compartments here. And since this is going to be open most of the time, I'm going to put something there that looks nice, something I need to store, but that won't be all messy. And then under here, the cabinets, let me show you in here. There's like one big cubicle over here, and then there's 2 compartments on this side. So I was thinking about putting my cookbook journal stuff under there that I've been using. Keep it, you know, I don't know if it'll take up this whole area, but, you know, I'd like to keep it, you know, I'm gonna have it in a tote right now in the closet that I showed in a previous video, and so I'd like to keep it under here so I could have it where I can grab it easier. So that's it for this week. I hope you like my choice of table here. But yeah, I'm loving it. It came in real handy today, and just wanted to give you all a tour and let you know what I decided. So we'll do, we still have to do this wall and this wall. So there will be 2 more videos, and then we'll have gone through everything. So thank you for watching tonight, and y'all have a great night. Thank you. See you next time.